Hello, and welcome to today's video, Sacred Spaces, Crafting Nature Altars for Personal Devotion. Today we'll explore how to create a personal nature altar using found natural objects and learn about the significance of each element. Nature altars are sacred spaces that help us to connect with the earth and honor its gifts. They can be set up indoors or outdoors, and as simple or elaborate as you'd like. The key is to use natural objects that resonate with you and have personal meaning. Even if the importance of the items on your altar is not clear to you now, follow your heart and do whatever feels most suitable for you, without concern for why it feels right or what it means. There is never a right or wrong time to consider developing your own nature altar. Though doing this at the change of the seasons, shifts in your work, aha moments, or other times you are moved through sudden or growing insights, or even to mark a special day or event. As with all things spiritual, the choice is always yours. Depending on your religious inclination, the term altar may be a charged term. If you want to think of it as a special or sacred place instead of an altar, that's fine. This is your space, and it is important that its creation and usage feel right to you. Start by finding a flat surface or a small area of land where you'd like to set up your altar. This could be a windowsill, a corner of your room, a shelf, a spot on your desk, or a peaceful location in your garden. Next, gather natural objects for your altar, such as stones, leaves, branches, shells, or flowers. Each element represents different aspects of nature and has its own unique energy. For example, stones symbolize grounding and stability, while leaves represent growth and transformation. Likewise with branches and flowers and shells and whatever else you find. Now, one way to find these items is by wandering around until you feel called or pulled to them. Look where they are. Pause to ask permission to pick them up, or offer gratitude that they made themselves known to you. When arranging your nature altar, consider the symbolism of each element and how they can work together to create a harmonious, meaningful, and unique space. For example, you might place a large stone in the center to represent the earth, surround it with leaves to symbolize growth, or add branches to indicate a connection. Perhaps it is a small bowl of water or sand, a feather you found, or even some melting snow or ice, kept safely in a bowl. Even freshly cut flowers or a living houseplant can be added. Whatever you use, do so because it reminds you of your connection with nature, the changing of the seasons, or your good intentions. Now, feel free to personalize your altar by adding other meaningful items such as crystals, candles, pictures of your friends or family or loved ones who passed on, or something of personal significance. After all, this is your altar. Remember, there's no right or wrong way to create your own nature altar. It's all about expressing your personal connection to the earth. There you have it, your very own nature altar for personal devotion. Once you have it, I invite you to sit in front of it and experience its calm and grounding effects. You are an amazing part of this web of life. Please consider your connection with the wider world and how what you gain from this experience can help you infuse peace and compassion with others throughout your day. I would love to hear how this goes and the positive effects it brings into your life. Remember to like or comment and subscribe for more inspiring videos like this. Thank you for watching.